Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for like over a month now, but I do have an excuse for that, but I really don't want to get into it. But there has been, I don't want to go into specifics. I have been dealing with a lot. I don't want to take advantage of the situation. I don't want to talk about it, especially because it's really hard on me. So I just want to get into it. I want to start getting back to my original videos and my schedule as I did before, and we'll just, you know, get started. But other than that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for asking about me, where I've been and how I've been doing. I'm doing okay, and I will be okay. I have you guys around, and yeah, let's go back to having fun, start playing with makeup, and hopefully the world will be better. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a look that has been gone viral and everybody has been doing it, and let's get started with the face. So first I'm gonna prime my face with the Milani Prime and Perfect. This is a hydrating primer. Hydrating primer, and it smells minty. Wow. And it doesn't burn or anything, but it's, oh my god, it smells so fresh. That's much better. Oh, look at that. Okay, I love this primer already. This is so smooth. It does hydrate though. It's really nice. I don't know if you have an oily skin, I don't think you should use that. It doesn't like give you like an oily sense of feeling or whatever, but it's look, you can see it has a sheen to it, which it hydrates, but it's also so velvety and nice, and I am loving this. I don't want to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I really want to use my favorite, the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer. So it does really cover very much of your face, but it really is on the lighter side. Like, it's not thick, and I don't have a problem with that. I don't want my concealer to be as thick, and I don't know why I look so old right now, but I am going to set my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder and the shade Banana. So I have actually been, well, it's been a while. We actually came back. We were on like, you know, a small vacation. We went on a 3-week vacation. We went to like most of the cities around here, like other cities. Ow, that went right in my eye. And we actually have a family vlog channel. We used to upload like 4 years ago, but then we stopped for like, I don't know why. It's in Arabic, by the way, but if you just want to go have fun, have a look and see, you can see where we went around here. So other than the fact that I had this, you know, huge, I've been through, I dealt with that after my vacation with the family, and then I needed a break from everything and everyone. Everything was pre-filmed. A break, and now I had to come back again, and because life has to move on, even though sometimes it's really hard to move on. So what's new with you guys? I've been seeing a lot of my good friend Paisley. I saw that she was on vacation as well. Even though I didn't say that to her, but I really do enjoy, I love seeing her videos on Instagram, pictures of her daughter. They just warm my heart, and I love her so much. She is the sweetest person ever. She was the first person to reach out to me. Also Medina and a lot of you guys, Orkio. There's a lot, like a bunch of you. I just want to say thank you so much for being with me and being there for me. It really means a lot, and it did really help me get through this tough time. Okay, next thing is brow. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my brows up. Anyway, I'm going in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia dip. Whoa, okay. Oh, she's pigmented. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna clean that up, don't worry. Okay, so as usual, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and come back to do the rest with you guys. So see you later. And I am back, and let me zoom you in. Please don't get scared, but there she is. I still have lashes to do. For this eye look right here, and for all the shades, I have used my favorite, the Certifeye Tropical Wonders. I have been loving this palette, and I've been using it non-stop. And I have already primed my eyes with the Anastasia primer right here. I only use this one, and I've only used the P. Louise base. The only thing that's different is that this one is a little bit liquidy when you put it on. It dries down though. It is a little bit tacky. Shades actually stick quickly to it. Let's get started. Now, first shade I'm gonna dip in is the shade Atlantic right here, and I'm gonna dip in a little bit of the shade Coast, and I'm gonna mainly focus on the lid first. So here we go. I forgot, I did actually use one shade of the James Charles palette, which is the shade Cola, which is this just dark blue, navy blue right here. And I'm mixing these two shades together. And then I'm gonna dip in the shade Starling and Honey Creeper, which is these two shades right here. And I'm going to outline this shade right here. Go above this shade a little bit and then blend it together so they can all be one. Next shade I'm gonna dip in is the shade Red Sea, and I'm gonna slightly go again with this shade and just also above these shades and blend them together so they can be also a very happy family. Last, I'm gonna add this yellow shade on top, and I have been loving this technique where I bring all the shades like up to my brows. Some of you are like, that's not mine, but I like it, so. And lastly, this beautiful orange shade. Okay, and for the inner corners, I'm gonna dip in the James Charles palette. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, I just have to put on mascara and lashes, blush, lipstick, and we're all done. But let me just, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first. Okay. And this is the Nars Climax mascara. This bristle, like, it's reassuring, to be honest. But let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, not bad at all. I really like it. It's not bad. I really like it. Also, I'm gonna tell you a story about the time because I used to, you know, I used to do a lot of eyelash extensions. It wasn't the best choice I have ever made. To be honest, I was in Thailand at the time, and I really did go to, I did go to a very great place, and it was like the place for eyelash extensions. But before that, I went to like this cheap salon that was next to where I lived. I wish I did not go. My mom was telling me that you shouldn't go. I hate it when this happens. Anyway, so my mom was telling me like you should, like the first time. She told me that, you know, I'm afraid they will ruin your lashes. So I was like, no, I really wanted to try something new, and it's really fun, and I've seen a lot of girls and I've seen stuff online, so don't worry. So I went to the salon and I saw pictures and stuff and whatever. And I was like, okay, I'm ready, let's do this. So I went there, and it was great the first time, but it was like so, like you could barely see anything there. Like, she did it very natural, and I was like, no, I wanted more volume. So I went in the next day and I told her, you know, I wanted a little bit more volume. She was like, yeah, okay, we should see the, you know, the technician or whatever. She talked so professional, but she wasn't. And anyway, I went in and she was like, yeah, okay, we can do that. And that was really good. But then in a couple of days later, I was like, you know what, I think I need more volume. Stupid me. And then she did it. So she was like, I sent her a picture and she was like, no, this will damage your lashes and stuff. And I was like, oh, she was taking care of me. She's, you know, she's a pro. Anyway, a couple of months passed and I went for a refill or something, but then I changed my mind. I don't know why I changed my mind. I really can't remember. But then I was like, you know, I want it off. So I talked to her and she was like, yeah, sure, you can come in. It was late at night and I was like, you know, I want to get rid of this as soon as possible. So, and I left my daughter at home with my mom, and the technician was like, she's having like, I don't know, she was like so anxious and like, are you okay? And she was like, yeah, and she was going back and forth. And I was like, if you're busy or something, or you can't do it today, I can come in anytime later. And she was like, no, it's fine. It's just that I'm gonna do it because you're my last client. So let me finish and stuff and come back to you. And I was like, okay, whatever. And then I waited, and then hell came loose. I'm using the Milani blush. Anyway, I went in and something, like, my gut was telling me to get the hell out of there, but I did not listen to my gut and I stayed there. I have a bad habit, like if I want something, I want it right now. Like, I cannot wait. I don't care if there's an earthquake, I don't care, whatever. So yeah, I wanted to get rid of this, and I was serious. I was like, please do it quickly because my daughter is at home and I was starting to have panic attacks and I really wanted to go to see my daughter. And she was like, okay, I will, don't worry, I will do this. It wouldn't take time. Like, whenever I want to do something, I do a research first. So I did my research and I knew how to, you know, remove the, you know, fake, you know, lash extensions. And I did not see anything like prepared. I didn't see her prepared for this. Like, this should be my warning. I should have gotten out the second I saw that. And I was like, are you ready? Is that it? And she was like, yeah, sure. And I was like, well, okay, maybe she has something else. I don't know. Little did I know, I had my, you know, my phone. I was listening to songs. I wanted to calm myself down. And all of a sudden, I hear it snipping and like, I just, and I opened my eyes, but like I was in shock. I did not want to believe that, but I did. And I kid you not, she cut lashes with scissors. I did not have time to sit and freaking murder her, but I looked at myself in the mirror once she was done. I just left. I was in complete shock and I didn't know what to say. Like, what do I say to her? But I kid you not, after like a couple of days later, they shut the place down. Okay, yeah, that's what you get. Anyway, now it's time for lashes, and I am using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Scarlett. Okay, those lashes are beautiful. And okay, for highlights, I'm gonna use the beautiful Omrazy highlighter. I've been loving these. I love this highlighter because it sinks into your skin. Like, it doesn't just sit there. You know what I mean? Okay, so it's time for lips, and your girl got herself McGrath lip gloss. Those are minis, but I don't mind because they are by the queen, McGrath. And if you don't know her, what do you know about makeup? Anyway, I really don't want to open this. Like this is special. I don't want to share it with you guys. I mean, I really do. I don't, but I do. You know what I mean? Okay, so first I'm gonna line my lips with the Essence liner, and this is in the shade Daph. I use that a lot, and it's my favorite. My heart hurts. I don't want to. But where do I rip this? There is no place to rip. Maybe it's a sign I shouldn't. There she is. This shade is Flesh Fantasy. Look at that. That's so cute. Anyway, I love McGrath, and I know I've been dying to get these glosses, and also I want the God. Oh no. This is so good. And last but not least, a MAC Fix Plus. Did I just break it? No, I didn't. To hold things into place. Okay, here we go. And there you guys have it. This is the final look. I love this look so much. I love this colors and shades and everything. And I love the new stuff that I used. It's been a while. I am really happy. It's been a while. I'm so happy that I am back again filming and hopefully feeling much better. Thank you guys for your support, for your love, asking about me and being there with me. I will be uploading as usual twice a week. Other than that, please go check out my family's vlog channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.